How to use wide-angle or 0.5x camera on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch to the ultra-wide camera lens for capturing more in your photos. First, open the camera app on your Android device. Next, you'll see the default camera view with the standard lens active. Following that, look at the bottom of the screen for zoom options or camera mode buttons. Now, you'll see zoom levels like 0.5x, 1x, and 2x or higher depending on your device. Moving forward, tap on 0.5x or the wide angle icon to switch to the ultra wide camera. Afterwards, your camera view will instantly change to show a much wider field of view. In addition to that, this lets you capture more of the scene, perfect for landscapes, group photos, or architecture. Once there, frame your shot using the wider perspective. Subsequently, you can pinch to zoom in or out, or tap on different zoom levels to switch between lenses. Moreover, the ultra-wide camera is great for fitting more people or scenery into a single shot. Afterwards, tap the shutter button to take your photo with the wide-angle lens. Then you can switch back to the standard 1x camera by tapping on 1x at the bottom. Within the camera app, you can also use the wide-angle lens for video recording by switching to video mode first. Alternatively, some devices allow you to toggle between lenses by swiping left or right on the viewfinder. And that's it! If this wide-angle camera guide helped you capture better photos, give it a like, subscribe for more camera tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.